Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to add your Google account to the Play Store on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then we can enter the Play Store, so simply tap on it. Now we have to tap on Sign In. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, let's tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can tap on it in order to check all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, because if you will add your Google account to the Play Store, then it will be automatically added to the account section in your device. So from now on, all the content like app data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages will be stored on your Google Drive. So let's tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to the Play Store. Here we've got it, we can tap on it and check. So actually that's all. This is how to add your Google account to the Play Store in your Motorola Moto G30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.